3, 2, 1, start. Of course, this is a technical matter and I do not feel much competent to speak on the implications of it or how it will ultimately affect us, because what we find is even much more competent people of the category of CAG etc. not have been able to be unanimous on this point. Stop. There have been so many views offered. Stop. There was reference made to the recommendations of the PAC. So many riders were there. Stop. The estimate committee had given certain recommendations. Stop. There are the recommendations of the ARC. Stop. The recommendations are subject to so many riders, so many conditions. Stop. All these things should have gone into in depth, and if they had not made up their minds so far, what suddenly happened just now? Why should they pass an ordinance on the 29th of February? Why cannot they wait for 7 days of the house to resemble? They just come to this house with this attitude which cannot be appreciated. Stop. Stranger. In the statement of objects and reasons, they have stated the circumstances necessitating legislation by ordinance. Stop. It appears that they have made up their minds to do it with effect from 1st April to complete the exercise before that date. Stop. Without taking the view of the legislature, the executive has come to a decision, and they have stated as it were implementing the decision. Stop. To start with, they want to do it in connection with 3 ministries. Stop. The present accounting system applicable to most ministries and departments is essential external to financial management functions, where the payments are made by the treasuries and accounts are compiled by the audit and accounts offices under the control of the comptroller and auditor general on the basis of initial and subsidiary accounts received by them from the treasuries. Stop. This system worked fairly well when governmental business was limited. Stop. With the increase in the volume and variety of governmental outlays, the system has proved inadequate to the administration's stakes, and separations of accounts from audit had to be thought of. Stop. There are doubts in our minds which have been very valid, if I may say so, expressed by my friend who has studied the matter in greater details. Stop. Therefore, we submit that this is not a matter which should be hurried through. Stop. As the honorable speaker on the other side said just now, we are still in the dark and we are trying to make a study of the matter. Stop. He says maybe the management control will be good. Stop. But we must know about the task forces whose reports are not available. Stop. Over.